Hello, and welcome to Rich Landing Bundle. Rich Landing Bundle is a powerful Shopify bundle builder app that helps merchants create high-converting product bundles, mix and match offers, BYOB bundles, quantity-based discounts, amount-based discounts, fixed-price bundles, free gifts, shipping discounts, upsells, and more. Instead of using multiple apps for bundles, discounts, gifts, and upsells, Rich Landing Bundle brings everything together in one smooth buying experience. It helps customers choose products easily, see discounts clearly, and add bundle items to cart with confidence, helping store owners increase average order value and encourage customers to buy more. In this video, we'll create our first bundle step by step and display it on a Shopify store. To successfully show your bundle on your store, there are two main steps. First, we'll create the bundle. Second, we'll activate the widget on the theme. Let's start with step 1, creating your first bundle. Click the Create Bundle button in the top right corner. After clicking it, you'll be taken to the template selection screen, where you can choose from more than 70 beautiful, modern, and professional templates. Now enter your bundle name. Then choose the template you want to use from the available options. Once you've selected your template, click Continue with Template. You will now be redirected to the bundle customization page, where you'll find powerful options to design, customize, and personalize your bundle. The next important step is to choose your products or collection. This step is mandatory. Without adding products or a collection, you won't be able to create the bundle. After selecting your products or collection, click the Create Bundle button in the top right corner. And boom! Your bundle is created and ready to use. Now, let's talk about one of the key features of Rich Landing Bundle: discount flexibility. Rich Landing Bundle supports 13 different discount types, giving you full control to create the right offer for your store. There are two main discount categories: fixed discount and tiered discount. Let's start with fixed discount. A fixed discount lets you create offers like pick 3 items for $100. Right now, you can see one offer in the bundle box. Let's create 2 more offers. For example, we can add pick 4 items for $150 and pick 5 items for $225. You can change the number of items and the fixed amount based on your bundle offer and business requirements. As you update the offer, you'll see it automatically apply inside the bundle box. Now, let's move to tiered discounts. Tiered discounts can be based on quantity or amount. A quantity-based discount allows you to offer discounts based on how many items customers buy. An amount-based discount allows you to offer discounts based on the total bundle value. Both quantity-based and amount-based discounts include multiple discount options. To view these options, click the Edit button. This will open a pop-up where you can choose from different discount types, including percentage off, fixed amount, free gifts, no discount, shipping discount, and free shipping. The drop-down items may not be clearly visible in this video, but you can check them inside your own bundle customization screen by clicking the discount type field in the pop-up. When you select a discount type, it will automatically apply to your bundle, and you'll be able to see the changes directly in the bundle box. Choose the discount type that best matches your offer and store strategy. Now, let's move to step 2, activating the widget on your theme. To display the bundle on your store, the Rich Landing Bundle widget must be enabled in your Shopify theme. You can activate it directly by clicking the Activate button. Or you can go back to the app dashboard and click the Activate button from there to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, enable Rich Landing Bundle and save the changes. It may take a couple of seconds to save. Once saved, you can close the theme editor. Now, go back to the app dashboard and open your created bundle again if you want to continue customizing it. You can preview your bundle by clicking the Preview button in the top right corner. Before previewing, make sure Rich Landing Bundle is enabled in your theme editor. You can also add this bundle as a section or block inside your Shopify store. To do this, copy the bundle ID by clicking the icon in the top left corner. Next, go to your Shopify theme editor. In this video, I'm adding the bundle to the home page, but you can add it to any page you want. You can also create a separate Build a Bundle page and display your bundle there. Click Add Section, then go to Apps and select Rich Landing Bundle. Here, you'll see a field for the bundle ID. Paste your copied bundle ID into this field. Once the ID is added, your bundle will appear inside the theme editor. Now, save the changes and preview the page where you added the bundle section. You'll see your bundle live on your store, beautifully displayed and ready for your customers. That's it. You have successfully created, customized, activated, and added your first Rich Landing Bundle to your Shopify store. Now your customers can explore your bundle, choose products, enjoy discounts, and add everything to cart in a smooth buying experience. With Rich Landing Bundle, you can create smarter offers, increase average order value, and give your customers a better way to buy more. Start building high-converting bundle offers today with Rich Landing Bundle.